जय श्री राम बाबा जी।
Sorry, Raja, we were running late today.
हाँ, कोई बात
ये रखो पुत्र, ये भी रखो। दिस इज वेरी गुड। बिना मैंने घर पे बनाया।
क्या करो इसको दूरी इतना है टेबल से और बढ़ गई।
नहीं रहता। दूरियां अगर अगर चीजों से बढ़ती तो फिर तो हम भगवान से कभी मिल ही ना पाते। दूरियां एक भाव है, एक मन की स्थिति है, जिसको हम जैसे समझना चाहें वैसे समझते हैं। ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली चलो पुत्र, तीन मिनट। चलो पुत्र। Wow. राकेश करे पुत्र। Somebody made a banana bread so wonderful that the bees have started come first. Wow. No, I'll just put it. Anybody can. The bee. I don't know how many of you read the message yesterday. Did anybody read the message yesterday? One person, two. Huh? Did you read? राकेश आपने पढ़ा? पढ़ो। आपने पढ़ा? Reason is not. Did you, Raghu Nalini? Did you read the message? Okay. Reason is मेरा बच्चा. I want to share, and as I said always, I always feel, and whatever Baba makes me feel, I want to share that. So that's something which I experienced. He made me go through that, and then yesterday he forced me to write this in the morning. And what happened is I'd like to share this story with all of you. Like 2 days back, not yesterday, but past 2 days before, prior to that, from like Thursday, Friday, right? We had this, and so Friday and yeah, Friday, Saturday. Thursday we got a donation, and we had expecting another load to pick up on. We picked up one on Thursday, then we had to pick up two on Fridays. And now the situation was a little tight and tough. Really didn't know what to do, how to do. We are limited to people. Volunteers were less. Friday I went to Baba told go early. I left early. The moment I go, I see that there is a lot of work to be done because we have over 12 pallets which needs to be sorted out. Every box and every pallet has a boxes on that. Okay. So the thing what came to me was that immediately call 2 food banks and tell them to come with volunteers. We need help. Fortunately, it became a blessing to us. The food bank was supposed to come later, came earlier and came with 4 people and good strong people. And then later on the other one joined us. He also came with the volunteers. Few of our volunteers came who came and joined us. But the volunteers who came that time were a blessing to us. We had to move almost like 200 boxes here. And it was great. We had to move them, repack them, give them, move it to other location. It went very well on fine, very nicely. Saturday morning, when I came down, Pavak told me to keep, there was a message I had to post in the staff group that what is the schedule for tomorrow. Somehow I was not till 12:30 when I could not post. 5:30, Baba woke me up. And then Baba, it's half an hour. Now get up. Still, I fought 14 minutes and I had to get up at 5:44. I woke up. So let me post the message in the staff group early morning so they'll know what's going to happen today. The moment I open staff group, I come to know that our floor manager is not well, not coming in. And the other person who's on the floor has a day off. It's total imbalance. We have donations coming in, we have donations moving out. And immediately he twisted and turned, called her, she came, got other things done. And we had a lot of moving yesterday, things were taken care of. And again, yesterday also, the whole day, it was the same thing. It was so beautifully organized, everything. We had donation, like it was done. And yesterday morning, Baba made me to, this is just my realization that when he's working for you, when he's worrying for you, when he's planning for you, when he's executing for you, what is our job to do? In a physical body, I understand that, we have our limitations of thoughts, but when he is doing things in advance, what is that for do? What are we supposed to do? What do we do to keep him with us? What do we do? That his existence, his presence, and we can not like, the moment we say, yeah, he's always there. Yeah, he's always there. But how do we get that part all the time, that connectivity? Another thing happened yesterday night also was when everybody left, I put little curtain for Baba up. It was very and around 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 something, I started feeling a little cold, I think it was saying. And I had not given blanket to Baba. I just given him sheet and put his fan on. And I was little kind of a shivering kind of thing. So I was telling Baba, like, I'm not able to get up. Because he's also sleeping with the same thing. And my feeling inside, like I felt guilty that I'm not able to get up and go and give him the blanket. I apologized. I went to him and I begged apology that sorry couldn't come that time. Why I'm sharing this, Radha, maybe it's meaningful to you or not meaningful to you, but I feel when we start breathing him, when we start thinking of him, when we start acting on things with him, it's a different world. It's a different life. It's completely different. And I'm watching this, Radha. I'll give you another example. So we are in process of getting another region to serve. Okay. We've already been serving GTHA wide, but now it is going with the municipality, local municipalities to work with. Okay. This is going on from last October, November. Finally, it's coming up now that they have around 1,409 apartments all over spread the region. Okay. And don't know, and they want culturally appropriate food to be delivered to them. What's happening? All of a sudden, Baba revives some relationship we were getting some support from. And I get a call from one company, and she tells me, I was looking for your email. I couldn't find you. I had to go through all my emails to find the email. We have 18 pallets of stuff to donate to you. Plus, there may be some frozen stuff to give you. And give me your cell phone number. I'll keep it with me. Whenever there's something, I'll let you know. And we are already picking up some stuff from the other location. We picked up around 30 pallets from there. And 18 of them, around 50 pallets donations coming in. The deliveries of the process, the new region would be starting in December, most likely, mid-November. He started working before. He knew what we would need. He knew what we would have to every box would require. He knew, only he. And for example, yesterday, you came, right? We had almost 5 pallets of peanut butter jam. Why I'm sharing Raja? And I really feel all of you should understand this with them. From a day-to-day perspective of life. आनंद है उसके नाम का बहुत मजा आ रहा है because how do we make this happen? How do we change our minds and thoughts with it? How do we change that mind? Our thought process. Trust me, mera bacha. Honestly, I don't want to make it myself very emotional on this, but I have no words. I really have no words. And I was telling Gudia that I feel in debt completely. I feel that he purposely is doing that to me. That he's doing everything. He's organizing volunteers, he's bringing in food, he's getting things done. Things are happening, things are moving. I had a delivery yesterday. Two drivers could not do it. It was a new building in downtown Toronto. There was nobody. All of a sudden, Rajiv comes and says, Rajiv, he had a party to go. He had to attend a family marriage. I said, Rajiv, I need your help. No problem, Maiji. I'll go. And he went. He didn't say nothing to me. He just took it and went. Just imagine, Mera Bacha. Just imagine. Out of us doing and thinking, he is doing it and he's making it happen. Every step I can see that he's doing it. And he's making me and Gudia look very good on that, but we are not doing anything. I don't know how to make these people understand. Even the words, flow, actions, thought, like write this, do this, get this done. It's something that's putting on constantly. How do we change that thought from the worldly? I'm not, again, don't take me wrong in one way that you have to love your families. You have to take care of your families. You have to give them the life you're supposed to give them. You cannot say, I'm not going to earn. You have to earn. That is your job. That's your responsibility. If you have a parents to take care of them. Children, take care of them. Please work hard. Please do everything. You want to do your investments in the right way, please do it. But make sure doing everything, there's a change in the process, is what I'm saying. Nitya all of us, all of you are so intelligent anyways, blessed. We all know that there could be a switch off any time, any one of us. That switch will not be come back on. That will not on again. While that switch is on, what do we need to do? Sorry. Baba beautifully made me put that N to be capital. If you read, he made me write N capital. We do everything, Putra. We like to do, we explore new opportunities. We like to do the best. We like to give everything. Wonderful. No issues at all. But where is the connection? If you all say yes, we have connection, we do everything, then there is somewhere something not correct. Something. Why? Then where is the peace factor? Where is peace? Why is he not in part of every conversation? Why? Why are we only thinking my pain and my gain? How do we think that how to retain the relationship with him? I'm honestly, I'm not sharing nothing with anybody. There's no bookish thing here. I've not read. This is what I feel. This is what is going inside me. I was talking to Gudiya also yesterday and day before the same thing. Don't know, Putri. People see Saidam running, Saidam, everything running. And we very well know that he's running. You all have seen it was what was happening few years now. What is happening? Who has the capacity to do? Who is that capable to do? Who? Because he's not visible. He's only visible in our thoughts, in our feelings. That's all. Because that is why we cannot connect. आप लोग अभिषेक करते हो पुत्र. It is so much energy. It's so much heat there. It's so wonderful, good heat there. You prepare, you do Shinghar. It is beautiful. It's amazingly beautiful. Today also, when we did Lord Shiva was getting ready, the whole energy and the whole it was amazing, amazingly beautiful. I was having all the difficulty to go to Baba to start Baba's Abhishek. I was having all the challenges. So beautifully done. What is that? One thought, a feeling, which is turning into a thought process of connecting. What is it? Just me, Puttal. Joe, the you know, somebody says the best part I like is on mother's lap, right? जी प्रभु, 1 घंटे बाद आएंगे शायद। नहीं नहीं, उत्तर एक बार सोचो, आपका फैमिली में, इन योर फैमिली ऑल्सो, एक टिश्यू लगाना शुरू करो। आपके बच्चों में, आपके नेबर्स में, आपकी पेरेंट्स में, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में, have you been able to impact them with your thought process? Do they still consider you the same way, or do they find you different? Is my key. Hmm. This is you to think. It's okay. Don't answer that. I'm not expecting an answer. Why I'm saying this? That if your families are still considering you the same way, they're taking you the way you were 5 years back, 10 years back, that means I'm not able to connect. I'm not able to deliver my message. I'm not able to tell them, what I feel. I'm not telling them to start talking about a spiritual aspect of this, but your actions, your thought process, your connectivity, your delivering of message, when the words come out, are coming out in a humble way of delivering it, saying, how about it?
Share my experience to say, yes, I can see changes in me, but I don't know what he thinks of me or what.
Doesn't matter.
How does it matter?
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No.
I don't know what they think of me,
No.
but myself, I see slowly.
When you emit light,
Yeah.
that's all.
It is you. Because, see, if you are sometimes people will not react to your Ganeshman.
Yeah.
Sometimes people will think he's gone crazy. He's not in his senses.
But you please do have it. Very, very well done.
क्या बोलता? हाँ मैं खाऊंगा पुत्री।
Please do have right now.
नहीं अभी नहीं खाऊंगा। नहीं अभी खाऊंगा तो मुंह बंद हो जाएगा। अभी बकबक करने का टाइम है। तो every single day, we talked about this, mera bachcha, some time back also, and I will repeat that today again. 365 days are there. Can't we take one step a day?
How do we know if somebody is taking or not? Please share. It is assumed that nobody is taking any step. Please share.
Well, if you want to share, it's fine. If you don't want to share, just think. मैं बाद में लेता हूँ लूँगा. I would like to enjoy
What
it.
is the change of your yatra? What is happening? Please share. So Baiji can share more light.
No, Deenabel, it's not that, mera bachcha. Purpose, I see, it is like, for me, if I look at myself, I will look all of you that a seed turning into a plant and started future that you all will take the fruits and flowers to give to others. That's all, mera bachcha.
Baiji, the only thing is that every time we start from A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, we're never able to start from E, E, F. Because it's not, he can do it if we don't contribute.
Steps forward. Still for some time.
Yeah,
That's normal. But you got to be more specific. That's very generic.
I had an experience. I think I was getting a little hyper, and then I think Baba made this incident happen, and sort of I stepped back, and I said, no, I have to keep what he wants me to do. And I think if we didn't have that argument, I would have never realized, because I was always trying to prove that no, I am right, and she was trying to prove she's right. Sometimes there was that tug of war. Baba, what is the situation on Commissioner got upset? One day you were when we were talking, what happened? But I think it was a lesson to me that you know what? Step back. Step back. It happened, and now I'm calm. I just talk to the point. If they think they are good, Baba knows what I'm doing. Same like I would give my cooking experience. I've said it even before that. You cook for 5 people because I had my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, I had the sister, they were there. I was just everybody left, I came here, I started doing, and oh my God, I have to make so many people. How will I do? But he's taking care.
So
And
how do you-
that incident I had on Monday, like I was very upset. But I think I was just thinking of it. I said, no, I have to just step back. And if that Baba didn't have that, we didn't have that argument, I would have kept saying, trying to say, no, you know what, I am right. I know you are right, but I think even I am right.
So as per Bhaiji's Swadhyay point, and when he writes something, let's assume that it's a Swadhyay, okay? Just don't read casually. It's a Swadhyay. Swadhyay means you work on yourself based on that angle. So how do you keep Baba in your process? What is it that you did and you should do again? Yeah. Did something. How do you repeat that? We all can share.
Mera bacha. What Baba meant was that, a continuity of having him inside all the time.
Yes, yeah.
So, as you beautifully
But
said,
but for some time, okay, like always, when I leave for, he's always with me. But I think I think you don't even have to have him in mind.
That's the point.
Yeah. But to have
That's the point.
That's the
Exactly.
challenge.
Exactly.
no, but it is not a challenge. It's a thought process. It is that just a thought process. It is like, let's put it. What is happening is that over the period of time, our lives have been very rigid and tight. Now we have come to a maturity level of life where we don't have that flexibility of taking the trunk changes, right? Now we become like a trunk. What can happen now? A good thing can happen is, even if now I start feeling the right way, I may not be that flexible, but I'll get supple. I'll get softer. That's all. That softness will help you.
So you got to give time.
The softness, see, it's flower, right? You start knitting a flower. It is all scattered. We keep adding water, keep adding water. Now, the when you start adding water, you realize it after some time, it has become very hard. Because you can't even, roll it over. And what do you need to do? You add some oil, a little touch of water, and give that boxes punches again to the flower. Why? You want to make it rollable, flexible, so that now you can give any shape to it. We take a clay. We want to give any. We can use the clay because clay is very supple. Is it not? So that clay can be given any shape, broken back again, any shape, this shape, that shape. So we have to be in a very flexible model. Nothing.
Oh, yeah, okay. We are the same. That's the point. How many people are capturing it? That's the point. Eloquent to
Do you want to say something, Bacha?
Realize that
let go of
Do you
giving
want to
shape.
say something?
यस बाबा जी.
Yeah, Nalini wants to say something, Babaji.
Yeah, Raja, say Raja.
बाबा जी मुझे क्वेश्चन है रघु मेरे को है ना मैंने बाबा को हेल्प मात करना चेंज होने के लिए रिसेंटली हुआ लाइक लास्ट मंडे
Can't hear you.
बाबा जी अभी सुन
हाँ.
सकते हैं?
हाँ.
बाबा जी क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि रघु चाहते हैं कि बाबा के साथ बैठकर मुझे है ना उसके बारे में चेंज होना है लास्ट मंडे क्या हुआ था, सुबह उठकर है ना जैसे आप बाबा के साथ बैठने के लिए, बाबा के साथ बैठने के वक्त है ना अंदर से आवाज़ आ रही थी कि है ना आप सुनीता को जानते हो ना, उसको हेल्प चाहिए क्योंकि उसके घर में कोई गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, 7-8 फैमिलीज। तो मैं बाबा को है ना अंदर से, नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं फ़ोन करना उसको, है ना इतने में थोड़ी देर में, नहीं नहीं उसको बहुत वो घबरा जा रही है कहकर अंदर से है ना, मेरे को दिल को लग रहा था। तो फिर मैंने उसको मैसेज किया तो वो तुरंत है ना फ़ोन की, घबराहट हो रही है, इतने सारे लोगों का खाना कैसे शाम को बनेगा। तो मैं राइट अवे, कोई बात नहीं है, मैं जल्दी आकर आपको बना दूंगी, नहीं तो घर पे बनाकर आपको पूरा दे दूंगी। तो पूरा खाना बनाकर दे दिया, लेकिन एक शर्त है, आप किसी को बताना नहीं कि बनाया है, आपने बनाया है। माने झूठ बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। बाबा जी हमेशा कहते हैं डिप्लोमेटिक वे में बोलने के लिए, पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन घर पे बनाया है, कैसे भी घर पे ही खाना बनाया ना, तो बस उतना इन जनरल वैसे बता दो, लेकिन नाम मत बताना कि मैंने बनाया। तो हो गया बाबा जी। लेकिन घर पे आने के बाद रघु बता रहे थे कि है ना, तुम कह रहे हो कि अंदर से आवाज आ रही है, ऐसे कर नहीं, मैंने बाबा को हेल्प मांगो, मत जाओ, क्योंकि लोग सोचेंगे कि है ना इस लड़की को बहुत टाइम है, ये क्या है, पागल है, आकर ऐसे बनाकर चले जा रही है। आज के दिन की भी बात, कल अचानक है ना आया था कि रक्षाबंधन है, गणेश पूजा आ रही है, घर पे है ना बच्चों लोगों को है ना ऋषिका क्ले से गणेश बनाती है। तो आज सभी लोग यहाँ पर है ना, अचानक मन को आया कि रक्षाबंधन सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ लव है, क्योंकि ब्लड रिलेशन ही नहीं, बहुत सारे बच्चों के है ना सिस्टर्स नहीं है, वैसे आकर ऋषिका सभी को है ना राखी बांधेगी। और गणेश भी है ना क्ले लेकर आकर बनाकर सभी को फेस्टिवल जाएगा कहकर बनाया। लेकिन लोगों को है ना दिल में आता है, अंदर से आ जाता है, तो मैं करती हूँ बाबा जी। लेकिन रघु का भी अच्छा है कि है ना, रघु कहते हैं कि लोग तुम्हें पागल सोचेंगे, इस लड़की को बहुत टाइम है, लोगों को एंटरटेन कर रही है, ये वो है, कहाँ से इसको इतना टाइम मिलता है। तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्यों अंदर से आवाज आती है, ऐसे करूं या अंदर की आवाज ना सुनूं, क्या है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा बाबा जी।
और जी होता है।
वो करना है, जिससे वो करना है वो करना चाहिए।
हाँ,
I think you should carry on with people are always going to talk, whether you do good or bad. So that's my opinion.
so Dinesh Bhai says you should not worry about people's opinion.
People,
What happens, Putri? Now, question comes here is my consciousness, what I'm pushing to be done, what I'm being pushed to done, who is doing that? Who is telling me that?
बाबा
बाबा
The point, what people will say, Raja, people, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों को, कहीं न जाए रहना। राजेश खन्ना, शर्मिला टैगोर, राजेश खन्ना हो गया अपना रघु, और शर्मिला टैगोर हो गई नलिनी, हो गया। इन नाव में ही तो बैठे हैं दोनों। So, Raja, this is very wonderful. Imagine this part of it. I know you understood, right? But still, it says कि
She was not even bored.
तो it is said कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना. What does that mean?
Okay. We had andwa and we have banana bread. They both look same. They both have same consistency. One is tikka, one is meat. That's all.
So what happens is, Raja, no matter what people will still talk, but would you like and the time to go on, pass on, or you would like to utilize that time? You like to encash that time. Because even if you, like suppose in case in Nalini's case, Nalini would have not helped her. Let's say this way, right? Our guests are still coming. They're still going to eat. Maybe she would have ordered something outside. But now, what Nalini has done is she has planted a seed of love, compassion, support, and care. She extended herself to help her. Irrespective, not deciding that I want something in return, but otherwise. What is it to give an urge?
As you say, right? Yeah, do it with a full heart, not expecting anything in return. That's the main purpose.
I will give you example. I was talking to Kusumji yesterday. Yeah, Kusumji takes care of Brampton homeless seva. We had a volunteer before. She's not there now. So she comes and tells me, ki, why these people come, when they come, they already line up when they reach there. And normally in all the locations that happens, I'm giving you example of the Brampton one. That's why people come back to me and say, thank you very much. Just, I mean, imagine this word. Are homeless people standing in queue, coming in after that part, not expecting anything. We have to do our job, as you said. But they're two kind words. The moment they say to change them, the energies. You got to do what you got to do. Keep doing it. But something you never know who passes by, like a wind tells you that and passes on. And there are numerous examples in the world, numerous. When you start doing things for him selflessly, for others, you will see that you start getting people. So I had somebody yesterday to the warehouse. This is a good example. So gentleman came up and he's like, oh, Renuji's brother. We were discussing and he said, the mother just passed away recently. Renuji's mother passed away. We started exploring the opportunities of giving. He said, the moment we started working on it, now we're getting a lot of connections on the same field. This organization is contacting, that is contacting, that is contacting. We're finding more and more people. Baba said, what he says in Arati, Jaya Mani Jaisa Bhav, Vaisa Anubhav, Arati Sai Baba. Means what? What kind of a thought and feelings you will carry, the same kind of feeling, connection you will get. It's up to you. Whatever you give water to, that is what is going to grow. Simple. Another good thing is we all may have something here and there. We are not bad people or bad things we need to uproot. We just have simple weed in between to remove. That's all. That's all is beautiful.
Suddenly those negative thoughts come. Right? So जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि आखिरी में ऐसा कैसा हम सोचना भी नहीं चाहते तो एकदम चीज आ जाती है.
Immediate wash karo. Immediately wash karo. Right away tell yourself, thank you very much. Get into a thought, get into his name, get into some other thing. You have so much in you. You can bring anything up and start focusing on that. That will go away. When you don't pay attention to something, what will happen? It will go. It will fade. It has to fade. He's looking where to go. He's chalu.
So there are 2 points in that. Right? If you focus right away, that's allopathy. But the Ayurveda of that thought says that there is an unaddressed question deep within. So time lagega, but if you address those questions, this thought that hammers randomly also sees it.
I have Rakesh for you, Putra. What do you think? What the change in you?
चेंज तक है काफी चीजें जैसे मुझे बाकी खाना कुछ मुझे मतलब ये बार बार क्योंकि होता हो जाए तो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बिल्कुल ही हो गया अभी भी थोड़ा गुस्सा लग रहा है बात वो मुझे लगता है काफी चीज मतलब हर सेकंड थर्ड थॉट मेरा ये होता है कि मृत्यु आ कुछ
आप उसको अपनी फैमिली पे ट्रांसफॉर्म कैसे करते हो?
जैसे आज एक उसको शाम को बच्चों के साथ जैसा आपने बोला था सही बुक पढ़ना वो पढ़ना भूलना उनको जैसे अभी जैसे हमने बात की जैसे सोच है तो उनका इंग्लिश में सीक्रेट करते हैं कि जो भाव रखोगे वो भाव की जो मन से होगा ना यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली गेट तो वो है अब उनको वही ट्रांसफॉर्म करता हूँ एक तो तुम मटेरियलिस्टिक साइड से जाना लेकिन स्पिरिचुअल साइड भूलना नहीं बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली दिस इज स्टार्ट we will all have to die. It does not matter.
You have to modify this. Live in the social world where materialistic aspects are there, but journey has to be spiritual. Why? Work hard, get to the best, do the best. See, the moment you become, supposedly, you become the Prime Minister of Canada. Let's say this part, okay? But you carry the thought process, which was very spiritual in your core. What will you do? You will do every that thing which will make the people the best. You will find all the, and you will start getting thoughts also like that. Oh, why don't I do this? Why did I get this? Because you are wanting to give. Materialistic aspect, unfortunately, starts to take, not to give. So what happens is when you start to take, you sometimes don't realize that you have accumulated in taking. Not just money I'm talking about. You have accumulated a lot of things in the process. Like you would have accumulated good, bad, ugly thoughts, good, bad, ugly things, good, bad, ugly memories. Could have been so many things on the way. So once you've accumulated that in materialistic aspect, now there's no way, like Deepak said. Now, what is the reason of negativity hampering him? Why does he saying that thoughts are born? Because he had accumulated in the past somewhere. He had a collection of these things in the past. Because those was accumulation in the past, whether it was experience, living experience, thought experience, whatever it was, but it has gone in with him. That is what it's coming from. It's not coming from outside. Is it coming from outside? No, it's coming from within. So what is it within? Whatever we had within. In the time it would be, sometime it was very precious to you, very close to you, don't like it now, but it was sometime there. So how do we wash this out? Is that it says to be that, when you need to make a paint, suppose there's a minor scratch on your car, on a door, on a fender, what would you do? You first need to do the buffing of that area. Even it out. That whole, sometimes it could be just this much piece, sometimes it could be whole door, whole fender. You need to really, really make it even. And then when you see it, when not matched, you might have to scrub the whole thing or not, put additional covering of putty on the top so that the color comes out good. And now you need to rub it, cut the other parts and shine it. Sometimes you need to scrap it. So whatever we have taken inside, but if you start taking in a spiritual aspect, you will start in, it takes time, I agree with that. I don't deny. It's not a one-day process. It is not like a rocket, zoom, and you're breathing. No, you won't be there. It's a continuous efforts. And when Danny talked about saying your progress part of it, okay, I'll maybe make it more easier. So if you want to become a clay is basically more a terminology for surrender. Clay is surrender. What does it mean? Give me the shape you want to give me. Do whatever you want to do. Tell me what to do, I'll keep it.
This is the only way you can keep him in.
But that is where it comes to a point when you need to make that part, but it takes a time.
Then he stays in.
But now you'll have to teach them not taking, giving. Everything to give. The moment you tell your children, your family, your friends, anybody, the process of giving will give you what? Emptiness. There's nothing inside. Now he can give you more. Now he can fill you.
we have I think वो movie है The Secret, उसमें भी वही बोलता है कि अगर तुम नहीं दोगे तो तुम्हारे पर रुक रहा है, सब कुछ स्टॉप हो जा रहा है, तो जब तुम देने लगोगे तो उसके थ्रू you will start getting more because you're going.
Raja, see, simple as this. It's a odd example. Now you are in a rush to reach Finch and Markham Road. Right? Now you have 2 ways to go. 3 ways. Finch, 401, 407. But you want to reach faster. What will you do? Why? What is the first thing?
Yes,
They'll be giving it. They'll take it from you first. The camera clicks, takes, lets you go. Sorry? Give something. The moment you start give, you may save a few minutes, but now you know hassles to give. Habit of giving is always going to nurture you in a good way. Good thoughts giving, good company giving, good food giving, good life giving. Give your good life to your families. Just not money. Again, don't go back to money. Good life to the families. Dina said, good food giving to the family. Do you think they will ever forget the Dina Ben? No. They will always, after 30 years, also will say, wow, what a fool. You lived in the memories now. Give in a good way. Give.
But it gives you joy too.
Then you are stuck in Maya.
No.
Because you never
Not
did
at all.
that. Baba did it through you. If you start taking
Right.
credit for that,
You're
into
confusing,
Maya.
man. Confusing. That's
I'm
not
a
true.
confused person. I will confuse everything.
No. I'll tell you. There are 2 different things. I'll help you. Where you're coming from. Okay. So you have gone what you're talking is level up to up. Okay. When you start the feeling of getting Baba part. What he's talking about in a day-to-day activity, when you start into that process of doing it, you get the joy. Now that joy is telling you, wow, happiness a person. Now your soul gets that connection of saying, wow, thank you. That's it. You enjoyed that. You enjoyed that. So when you reach the level up and up, like you are at 11th state of heaven, or depending, 13.
Just aspire, not there.
और रुक तो जा, आप समझ तो ले. So once you start growing and you start feeling it, now you start to get to feel him. You guys started the conversation of sharing experience, going up. So I'm talking on the top now. The top is that when you've reached to that stair, which is just at par with the so-called heaven. It's not heaven. It's just take it that way. Materialistic word. It is easy to understand. You start to now know that somebody is working for you. Right now, joy is talking about is day-to-day activity. Like you can say, like I enjoyed cleaning Baba. I felt the connection. I really felt good. That's it. Done. I'm going to go and clean Lord Shiva. Wonderful. I made something. I took a step back. Maybe I'm right. It's okay. I enjoy it. So, enjoyment is initial stages of the journey. When you start to give, you start to enjoy. That's your initial stage of journey. So that's a progressive part. Always remember, mera bacha, when you're teaching children that every birthday, every anniversary, anything, celebration is to start with giving, not taking. You're not getting anything. You let me know what you want to give. Remember this, Raja. The moment you start teaching give, you have no idea. That time will come and I've got so much, so much what to do. I'm not only talking monetary part here. Please don't connect it always there. You can have abandon of love, abundance of His grace, abundance of so much to give. Why are you scratching your head, Raghu?
So the joy is not yours. To answer your question now, okay, I have to think about it. To answer your question, if the joy is yours, you are yourself and you're centered to yourself and not connecting to Baba. That's not the point. In fact, the very joy is the essence of Baba. Okay, that is the clarity. You're connecting to anodes and cathodes. It's creating problems. You will keep spinning. Don't do that. The joy in giving is the joy of connection, not your aspect that, oh, I did something. We are all beyond that.
Provided we don't feel that I'm
Of course not. Otherwise, you can't feel the joy. It's an ego feeling.
Nineveh, you want to say something?
no, like when you give me. Someone says, even hormones inside changes. Believe me, that
Exactly.
That is the excitements of your hormones which react to your body.
Appreciate what you are doing, and it will encourage you to
Somebody.
do more. Believe me.
That hormonal level, that bone level joy, it is not ego. It cannot be ego.
Sorry, but
So like we should say thank you to you, like choose us.
Listen, I give you an example. You are at the food bank, as Baiji said. You're giving food. That guy says thank you. Do you feel good that he's telling you thank you, or you feel good that he's thankful to God? That at least you made him that thought.
Yeah, like last week. If anybody comes, so I was we were trying to like the stop sign is like, what are you seeing? This is computer one. But then I said, it was unconscious. He came, and I gave him the card and thank you, God bless you. What else do you want?
What else do you want?
Not because I gave him or that ego, oh no.
You see somebody need want to give them something, and you approach them and you give them something. But for whatever reason, maybe they feel bad that you think
Nah.
they say no.
No. Well, that is his question.
Another time I remember I had extra food with me. An elderly couple came because they did not have food. We were just standing there. I part probably my mistake was
नहीं वो यहाँ पर कुछ था वो scratch that. Go ahead.
I expected that they would ask me, then I will give them. But they felt so bad, they probably expected me to stay and reach out on my own and say, please take. I had an extra box of food. They didn't ask me, they just left. And I was waiting, ask me, and then I will give you. And I got stuck there in the process.
Yeah.
I did not.
That's an opportunity, right? So I'll give you two examples. One, my cup of tea. I'll share with you this. Okay. So we all had tea, right? The moment I want to be very different part of this now. My cup got empty. I got 2-3 signals. चाय दे दो. आपको चाय दे दो. I'll take it later. I didn't want to complete it. What everybody had a thought. That love and respect to your comfort, can I offer you? Can I give it to you? Can I take the opportunity of giving you? इसको भाव बोलते हैं पुत्र. I get this so easy, yeah. Don't take me wrong. I get this.
It's a fine line. It's a fine line. That's the point.
How you get it? Maybe he's far, he could not, he's so friend. But would you up lete ho when you're expecting to get it? You don't expect also, but somebody says that is extension of love and respect. Extension of love and respect. I said no, I don't want it. Okay, that's it. But again, I said I'll take it. You have to get that understanding, Putra. What did you do? So they put tea in my cup. Then somebody said, ठंडी होगी, गर्म कर दो. अच्छा मैं जाता हूँ. You're not understanding मेरा बच्चा. What's happening me? I never shared with all of you, but I see all that. I understand all this. I get this. Why do I develop relationship with you in a different way? Because I get you. I connect with you. Your bhav connects with me. I connects with you, and that is where it tells me, irrespective of his a certain good or bad habit, but he's got that in him. मैं कुछ करता हूँ, मेरे को मौका मिल रहा है. So that is where the guru comes, the Satguru comes, exactly the same way. Pouring of milk is not pouring milk and water, is how you are doing it is the key. Some people say, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Triambakam Yajamaya, Sugandim नहीं भैया, नहीं चाहिए. कि हे प्रभु, accept it. Accept myself. Shower me. Make me clean. Done. It's the same thing. You may chant a mantra, you may not chant a mantra, but you gave the same feeling to him. A person chanting mantra would have not given feeling, but you gave it. It's a simple thing. Every Sunday I did not want to share this today, but today I wanted to make you understand. This is what the feeling is. This is what bhav is. When you tell somebody, आज मैंने नोट किया चाय डाली तो आवाज आई पीछे से गर्म करने का, मैं जाता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ. That's done for me. क्या मेरी आंखों ने देखा नहीं, मेरे हृदय ने पहचाना नहीं? Didn't I get it and see? I got it. अगर मैं हिल सकता हूँ, मेरी आत्मा हिल सकती है, वो तो परमात्मा है. परमेश्वर है. वो तो मुझसे कई लाखों गुना ऊपर है. वो तो पत्ते से हिल सकता है. मेरे जैसा मूर्ख ना हिले, वो हिल जाएगा.
That's why we touch the Bilipatra. Touch the Bilipatra.
So sometimes Baba said, touch the flower, right? When we offer. Now it's your call. You touched it. No, you got few seconds of giving your bhav to that flower by touching it. That's few seconds. 1, 2, done. You could have just said Ram. That's it. Myself. Done. When I tell you, do that Belpatra, we have to offer to him. All your bhavs I'm offering. I'm not offering Belpatra to him. I'm offering your bhavs to him. कौन सी दुनिया में है पुत्र? हम सब हार्ड मास के टुकड़े भाव में ही जीते हैं. We live in the feelings only. A husband-wife connection, people may call it whatever, it is the feeling when they want to be with together. It's a feeling. It's a connectivity of feeling. When you want to love, hold your child, it's your feeling you want to hold your child, you want to love. You want to feed your child, your mother, it's your feeling that's doing that to you. You want to cook for somebody, it's your feeling for that. भाव है आपका. पुत्र जागो, जागो मेरे बच्चों, जागो. मुझे नहीं पता मेरे पास कितना समय है, लेकिन जागो. As you all said, A, B, C, D. Show me that. Take me over from me. कि चलो भैया आप साइड हो जाओ, we will do satsang today.
That is not the
और
point.
चुप कर.
That's not the point.
I'm right. I'm telling you the right thing. Why? Because I will be the happiest person. She told me one day, it stuck in my heart. There are many more people outside who would like to have it. And I told her one thing. I would not say no. But right now I feel the people who are already there, what has changed in them? I don't want to have a crowd of people and there's no change. I'm not crowded. Let me see that part. Yes, you have bhava of service. Yes, you have bhava of seva. If somebody comes here, you'll take care of him. But where is that change in you that will reflect that yes, we are in satsang? That is what I'm waiting for. They want me to make the satsangs live. He's been pushing me for last few months. I feel I want to see all of you grow. I want to see all of you progress. I want to see somebody meets Raghu and says, Raghu, what happened to you, bhaiya? Angry young man. Abhi isko kya ho gaya ekdam se? Silently, he would get mad. Abhi, what happened to Raghu? Right, Raghu? And people won't even know Raghu is mad. But he's mad.
बहुत सारे लोगों को मालूम नहीं था बाबा जी इनको गुस्सा भी आता है
पता ना, silent mad. लोगों को पता. You show me that you are ready to take on other people. You give me this. Then we will work with everybody. We'll let everybody have a good life. Have the thought what Baba gives us. We'll share with everybody. We are still going to start this up. Satsangs are going to be out. But before welcoming any other, are family ready? Are we ready? Are we there? Are we understanding? Can we make a change to the world? Can we do better? Is the key what he said. अगर आप ये चाय गर्म करना और चाय देना और ये देना मेरे को हिला सकता है तो सोचो एक परिवर्तन क्या कर सकता है.
You can do one thing at least as a family. With every satsang, Rajesh puts the point and we discuss. But in that discussion, we all should try and add some value of our own for everyone's sake, not just to blabber. There is no point. और वो फर्क दिख जाएगा वैसे भी. But we should all add something. A little bit of Rakeshi, a little bit of Dinesh, a little bit of Dave, a little bit of you. Anyone. It's all welcome.
Consciously or subconsciously, we are all adding differences. We are adding our thoughts.
Subconsciously you only know, right? We can know this. You
पुत्र
think that you
भाव
are the
ये
only
है.
one who's benefiting? If you want to keep it that way, then bring it out.
उत्तर कारण क्या है समझो मेरे बच्चों, समझो. If me and Gudiya were thinking in a commercial way, we would have said बेटे जाओ किसी को साथ लाना ये करना हमें नहीं चाहिए. उत्तर हमारे को चाहिए जो हमारे लगे बूटे हैं, our planted seeds, they should flourish first. They should get first, so they can spread. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, उजड़ जाओ, जाओ. The goodness, go and spread the goodness. Then it is beauty. Then it is worth. पुत्र आईना बन जाओ. Become a mirror. Jaya Mani Jaisa Bhav means what? Whatever you look at me, the way you look at me, you say the same thing in you. Simple. पुत्र ये आदमी जो अंदर बैठा ये साला इसको जानते नहीं हो तुम पुत्र. इसको लोग फकीर बाबा साई क्या क्या बोलते हैं. You have no idea पुत्र. You have no idea. अभी बोला ना उसने.
कितने लोग हैं? 5 6 7 8 9 है. एक ही बोलता है.
Raghu, they want to hear you, Raja. Raghu talks. Danny is getting mad कि Raghu कभी नहीं बोलता. अगर रघु नहीं बोलेगा तो मैं अपनी फैमिली को लेके मैं एक हफ्ते के लिए रहने चला जाऊंगा पूरी फैमिली के साथ.
जरूर बाबा जी
डैनी का प्रॉब्लम है राजा. वो हफ्ता रह जाएगा, अच्छा लगा तो भाई हफ्ता और रुक जाएगा. हाँ.
क्या बोलना बाबा जी?
They want to hear from you. What is that for you?
Yeah, like 3-4 years back, I used to worry for everything. I used to get mad, like small things also, reacting. After we came into contact with the Babaji and Saima, inner calmness it's increased a lot. I mean, I'm very much peace at inner self. जो भी है, Baba will take care. So everything is like, becoming good and everything is falling apart. I surrendered everything to Baba and things started happening. And family में भी harmony increase हो गया. Everybody is like, spending more time, loving each other. And
That's a big thing. Spending time with family and loving each other more. not taking away. On a spiritual journey only. But now the family is together to talk to each other, spend time together.
What you doing there? Sorry. What you doing there? You're giving your family also.
You have to give your family, Raja. Remember this. You cannot just not do that. You have to give your family time. Why? Because whatever you have with you, the goodness, if you don't give them, how will they take it forward?
They do take it forward.
Remember talking. If you're not correcting now, that will be there for 90 years. Correct it now. Rishi, what do you have to say, Putra? Questions later, but I want to hear.
पार्लियामेंट में होता है ना क्वेश्चन पीरियड, प्रश्नकाल.
No. Let's make it Nishi call.
What's changed or what we're questioning?
Obviously, progress, change. Questions will be obviously.
I think it's more the surrender, the constant reminder to like just leave it. It's not worth it. It's a struggle. I'm not gonna say. Have reminders for
Is that the change? So, Putra, I'll leave it with you. I'll leave it with all of you. I just shared what I went through these past days strongly. I go to this every day. And mind you one thing, the biggest thing, my knee is all swollen, fully. Because of this, my both feet are swollen. I can't immediately start walking till I'm waiting up therapist, he's coming on 7th. But with this feet, with this struggle, he made me work physically the whole day, 2 days. He made me work without pain. Like, you thought it's gone. The pain is in the leg, right? Not in the brain. He made me work whole day at the warehouse. Pick this, do this, give this, that, this. All made happen. Who? Him.
That's the joy. This
So
is the joy.
let's enjoy one thing more. Huh? Let's enjoy. Ram 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 Ram. I'm going to tell you one thing today forever. I'm not going to repeat more times. Whenever you guys chant, make sure you help each other with one sound. This will help all of you. This is exactly the same thing I said a few years back, lighting a candle. It's the same thing. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Ram Ram Ram. She sets it down. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु. This is also giving. This is also giving. A prayer for the whole universe. Just give. Every being to be happy and every loka to be happy. What else? Give. Acha mera bacha. Okay, let everybody be. One time, all of you also have hair. All hair. That's Nishi ji. Rakesh,
Yes, sir.
Tom ji, Dinesh ji, Dina Ben, Tipu bhai, Danny Che.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ये नहीं मतलब है तो एक ही.
Happy Raksha Bandhan to
Happy
everyone.
Raksha Bandhan to everyone.
ऐसे पुत्र अपना काम कर रघु पुत्र फटाफट ये खत्म होते ही नलिनी को राखी बांधते कि मेरी रक्षा करना नलिनी.
Jai Sai Ram
Yes, sir.
Baba ki.